Hello everybody, how are you? I hope everybody is fine and welcome again in this new video, which will be about as it's clear in front of you, how to unlock Dell with service tag 8FC8. This is the subject of this video, and in fact with these Dells having this 8FC8 as a tag, there are two ways of unlocking them. The first one is to use the master code, so you have to purchase it in that case if you want to use the master code, which means that you just need to get a code which you will enter in the box asking for the password, and you will then get your machine unlocked. The second way is to dump the BIOS chip, or to open the laptop, remove the BIOS chip, put it in a programmer, read it and save the BIOS image file, and then you will need to make some necessary changes on the binary file, and then write it back to your BIOS chip and put back your BIOS chip on the board, and then boot the machine. Which means that in this case you will need some tools. You will need screwdrivers to open your laptop, you will need programmer, you will need to know how to use the programmer, and so on. So if you are not familiar with these things, or you don't have these tools, so this video is not for you. But if still you want to do it yourself, so just stay and watch till the end. You will learn how to do that on the binary file using HXD, for example, or any other hex editor. So in our video we'll see some few cases here. I have a lot of files. They are all from different machines, and in fact they are all from one person, a dealer of used laptops, which buys laptops with passwords and then unlock them and resell them. So all these files I have already in fact unlocked them, and all the machines have been successfully unlocked. And in fact we don't need a lot of modification in the binary file. All what we will need is to open with the hex editor, our favorite one. Each technician use hex editor of his choice, and personally I love using HXD editor, which is a free tool which you can download on the internet. But before showing how to unlock these Dells using binary file, there's an important thing that you should know. This modification should be done on the BIOS region, which means that you have to dump the BIOS chip of 32 megabytes, not the one having 16 megabytes. So usually in these Dells we find two chips. In some cases they are both 32 megabytes. In this case you have to dump the one having the BIOS region. You will know that by the number, its number on the board, the number, the label on the board. You have to take the BIOS having the first number, which means if, for example, one is labeled U1 and the other is labeled U2, then you have to dump the U1 chip. In some cases, we will find two chips, one of 32 megabyte and the other of 16 megabyte. So in this case, you have to dump the biggest one, which means the one having 32 megabyte. As we see here, we all have these files with 32 megabyte, and if we try to open them, for example, with the UEFI tool, we will get this message: image is truncated. If we hit OK, you will get this message here. My region is located outside of the opened image. If your system uses dual chip storage, please append another part to the opened image. As I said, this platform uses dual chip storage, which means two BIOS chips, one containing a BIOS region and the other contains the other regions. Let's say the other regions, we can see them with this tool. So we have BIOS, we have descriptor and BIOS region, which are located on these files, which means on the BIOS chip for having 32 megabyte file. In case of Dell's with 32 megabyte file and the other 32 megabyte BIOS chip and the other one of 16 megabyte. In case of Dell having two chips and both with 32 megabyte size, then, as I said before, you have to choose the first one depending on the number of its label on the board. If, for example, you have U16 and U17 as the labels for the BIOS chips on this board, on your board, you will have to dump the U16. I hope it's clear. So, and the other chip will contain all of this: the ME region, the GB region, the region 3, and the OC region, and the region 8. So don't ask me what it's about with these regions. This is not the subject of this video. Let's just tackle the subject of the video, which is to unlock these, to mod these files, to make them patches for our unlocking job. So let's, for example, choose anyone. Let's say, for example, choose this one. So all what you need is to search for this value, hex value, this one,